very well.
Ladies and gents, almost looks quite mystical, this this shot here. Look at that buckle. Sorry about the wind, but it's almost like a chameleon in there on that clod. So let's just take this out. Now, I mentioned Unearthed UK's channel earlier, and this buckle is complete with the lever, whatever you want to call it. But Unearthed UK just done a fabulous video on restoring buckles, so get over there. Like I say, the link's in the description. Very educational. That's a nice little buckle. That's probably medieval, probably 1400s without looking. On to the next.